When you know the words to this song, sing along.
Sing along.
Oh no, honey, did you just get a sing-along? They'll give you a lyric and you have to continue singing the lyric they'll give you or else. And I'm bad.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still want to party.
Honey, you got it. You're safe. Oh no.
Mommy, what's wrong?
I just got a sing-along. I'm super shy. I don't know.
Mommy, you have to sing along.
I'm super shy.
Mommy, please.
Mommy!
I love you, Grandma. I'll see you after school.
Sing along. Oh no, Grandma, did you just get a sing-along? You have to sing along or else. It's a cruel summer with you. You got it, Grandma. Of course, I'm a Swiftie. When you know the words to the song. When you know the words to the song, sing along, sing along. You can't love anyone because that would mean you had a heart. You're safe. I knew you would get it, sweetheart. Grandma, I'm heading to school now. Stay safe. You're all I have left after Mom died. I can't lose you too. Don't worry, sweetheart. I'm not going anywhere. Class, turn to chapter 2 in your books. Sing along. Oh no, I just got to sing along. Got a white t-shirt? It's got a white boy on my roster! I guess math class is going to be canceled today. Bro. That joke you made in math class was extremely insensitive, Derek. Go cry about it, snowflake. Grandma, is everything okay? Sweetheart, I just got to sing along. Hurry, Grandma, read the lyric to me now! What it is? The song lyric is what it is. What it is. What it is. Sweetheart, don't worry. I know the answer. You know it's not the same what it is. No, Grandma, that's As It Was by Harry Styles. Goodbye, sweetheart. I love you. Grandma. Why are you crying? Your grandma was old anyways. She's all I had left, Derek. Oh no, sing along. Karma is. Did you just get a sing along? I did. The words are karma is. Come on, give me a hint. You must know something. Come on, please help me. Karma is. Brianna, what's wrong? My grandma just passed away. When you know the words to the song, sing along. Sing along. When did it?
To me?
Good morning. It's time to take your medicine.
Bombastic side eye.
No, Miss Applewood. There'll be no side-eyeing today. Now take your medicine.
You really thought you ate that?
No, I don't. But you need to eat your medicine.
No, I don't want my medication. I want girl dinner.
After you take your medicine.
Girl dinner.
No, please don't start singing again.
Girl dinner. Girl dinner.
All right, unplug your life support. Miss Applewood, you soiled yourself. Come on, let's go and get you cleaned up.
No, I'm in my pooping my pants era.
What happened to your clean girl era? Let's bring that back.
Clean girl aesthetic.
Exactly. Now let's go get washed up.
You're giving me the ick.
You're giving me the ick because you smell so bad. Where'd you get that? What are you eating?
My husband. Today we will be making our last girl dinner.
Miss Applewood, are you on your phone again? Your grandchildren don't want you to have too much screen time.
Mind your business, Susan! What is our dessert? Moldy muffins. Yes, that's my favorite food. I need my glasses. Cake? No. Too sweet. Need some mold on it. Pizza? No. Too cheese. Too much cheese! No! Yes. Toenail clippings. What's my drink? Wash it all down with the 7-Up. Good. Girl dinner. Hummus? Delectable. Red olives? Alright. No! I'm not taking my vitamins.
Miss Applewood, you need to take your vitamins.
No! I told you I'm not taking my vitamins, Susan!
See, this is why I told you to stop yelling so much.
I don't yell. Anyways, scrumdiddlyumptious.
Miss Applewood, your grandchildren are here to see you.
Tell them to go home, I'm busy.
You're not busy.
I'm trying to see what kind of dog I am! Ah! Today I will be seeing who has a crush on me. 6 foot could climb that like a tree.
Miss Applewood, what did you just say?
No one's talking to you, Susan. Bartender, I don't know because I'm a material girl. He doesn't make that much money. Cancer, he's a 10 out of 10 in looks.
No one would ever have a crush on you, Miss Applewood, because you're not a very nice lady.
That's not true, Susan. I have a husband. Now, what is this filter? I'm a fan. Susan! Susan!
Why are you spinning?
I don't know, but make it stop!
Everyone, here are your soulmate heart lockets. Only your soulmate will have the key to your heart, and only you will have the key to their heart. Jake is going to be your soulmate for sure. You guys are made for each other.
You guys really think so?
Hey, Brianna, do you think I could see if we're soulmates? Ew, Nerdy Nathan? Imagine your soulmate is Nerdy Nathan?
No, Nathan, there's no way you're my soulmate. You're a nerd.
That was a little harsh. Here's your test back, Brianna. No way, you got 100%. You're smart.
No.
Brianna, are you a nerd now? You should quit cheerleading and join the chess club with Nerdy Nathan.
Thanks a lot, Nathan. Jake, it's time to see if we have the key to each other's hearts.
I really hope you're my soulmate. You're the hottest girl in the school.
And what else?
That's it, you're hot. Nothing else matters, babe.
I guess.
Does it fit?
Brianna, I like you. Ew, Timmy! Ugh! Why did I just get money? Mommy, today at school, when Timmy said he liked me, I got money.
Honey, that's because every time someone has a crush on you, you get money.
So you're saying I could be rich?
Hey girl, do you want to go to the mall after school?
I can't, I'm broke.
How are you broke? Just go get boys to like you.
I don't know how to get boys to like me.
It's easy. Just do the bend and snap method.
Bend and snap method?
Drop something on the floor and go to pick it up.
Hey boys.
Don't talk to us.
Oops.
Whoa!
I got it.
Bro, I caught that on video.
That bend and snap method of yours really works. I'm making bank.
It's because of this. Look, the video the boys took of you went viral.
No way!
Uh-oh, Brianna? Uh-oh, Brianna? There's a new video. You might want to see this.
Oops. Whoa. I got it.
He said it's giving boys the ick. When someone crushes on you, you get money. But if you give them the ick, you lose it.
But it's not fair. I didn't fart, and I don't really look like that. No, I've almost lost all of my crushes. Does it say who posted that video?
It was Jake.
Jake!
Hey, Farty.
Chad, where's Jake?
I'm not telling you. Look, it's Farty Pin.
Jake! Jake, take the video down. It's making me lose all my money and my crushes.
I'm not taking the video down because I don't want you to have any crushes.
Why not?
Because I'm in love with you.
Huh? Huh?
Oh my. Someone made another edit of you.
Huh?
Oh my, someone made another edit of you. It's Farty Pin.
Jake! What the? Who even took that video?
I took it. I saw you standing there so lovely, and I just couldn't help myself.
Timmy, you still have a crush on me?
Brianna, marry me, please. Just give me a chance. Come on, let's get out of here. Hey, are you alright? They were a little crazy.
Yeah, I'm fine. Maybe having so many crushes isn't that great.
Don't worry. I'll protect you. Brianna, did you see that new edit of you? You must have lots of new crushes now.
Yeah, I did. I have enough money to go with you to the mall after school now.
Hey, Brianna, I really enjoyed spending time with you today. I really like you. Do you think maybe we could go on a date sometime?
Jake, I've had a crush on you for years. But when you tried to destroy my image, that gave me the ick. Speech? What's this?
It's a new thing started by the government. You're given a certain amount of words a day, and you must use all of them, or else.
Well, I only have 18 words today. That shouldn't be hard to use.
Brianna, how many words do you need to use today?
18.
Wow, you're so lucky. I got 5,000 words I have to use today, so I have to talk super fast, and I have to use lots and lots of words. Talk, 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 talk. I can't stop talking, can't stop talking. The day's almost done. Did you use all your words?
Yes.
These are my last words, too.
Oh, no.
Honey, what's wrong?
I got 100,000 words to use today. How can I use all those words?
You'll have to try your best. I don't understand. I only had 55 words, now I have so many.
What's wrong with your voice?
I lost my voice talking so much yesterday. I won't be able to use all my words.
No, you can do it. You can.
I can hardly talk.
I want to switch my words back. Hello? The government? Are you there? God? Bestie, keep on trying to talk. The day's not over yet.
I can't.
Bestie, I'm so sorry. I love you.
It's okay. It's not your fault. I heard from your best friend's mom she passed away. She couldn't use all her words. Are you okay?
Yeah. I'll be okay.
Your soulmate heart magnet came in.
Yay! This isn't a heart.
It will only make a heart with your soulmate. The magnetic force will pull you towards him, helping you find your soulmate.
Wow.
All right, kids, time to finger paint.
Yay! My heart necklace is making a noise.
It's the magnetic force pulling you towards your soulmate.
Ow.
Your soulmate must have been somewhere close. Too bad there was a wall in the way.
What's going on? My soulmate must be near. Take me to him!
Hey, Bree, where are you off to? Can I come with?
My necklace is taking me to my soulmate. Why is it pulling me to the floor?
Girl, are you okay?
I found the other half of my necklace, but I didn't find him.
Oh no, your soulmate must have lost his necklace.
I found the other half of my necklace, but I didn't find him.
Oh no, your soulmate must have lost his necklace.
We have to find out who it is. I need to make an announcement.
No, you will not.
Attention everyone, there has been a missing soulmate heart magnet found in the hallway. If anyone is missing their soulmate magnet, come to the office immediately.
Give that back to me. You are in big trouble. I heard you guys found a soulmate magnet. I lost mine.
Really? You must be my soulmate then.
Yeah, I lost it back when I was 6 years old.
6?
What?
My soulmate would have lost his magnet in high school, not when he was 6. No one else has came forward for missing magnet. Maybe I'll never find my soulmate.
I hear a soulmate magnet was found. I lost mine last time I was here visiting the school. The prince is your soulmate! You're my soulmate?
Just the bread? That'll be 100 words.
Please, I'm so hungry.
No words, no food. That's the rule.
I'll buy it for her. You don't have many words, do you? Here. It's infinity words. You'll never have to go hungry again. Buy this for me, and this one for me.
Hey!
Come on, you have endless words, and we're meeting the prince today. Don't be so selfish. It's the least you can do after we let you into our family. That'll be 5,000 words. I was thinking lobster for dinner. Oh, and steak.
You guys are just using me.
The prince is coming soon. How do I look? Oh no, my words are getting low. Come on, I need a refill. What's taking so long? You literally have infinity words. Did I just hear you have infinity words? Do you know what this means? You're the long-lost princess.
What? There's no way a loser like her is the princess. Yeah, and before she never even...
Silence. If she has infinity words, that means she is the princess. Come with me, love. We'll have a crowning ceremony tonight. Here you'll have tons of ravishing dresses to choose from.
Wow. This is the one.
Wow, you look just like a princess in your new dress.
Where's the prince?
You and the prince may not see each other until the crowning ceremony is over. I now crown you...
Wait. I can't accept the crown.
Why not?
Because I'm not the princess. Am I a hunter? Or am I a prey? What?
What does purple represent?
I don't know. It has to be some kind of mistake.
Well, I hope you're not a prey. I don't want to have to hunt you. I'm gonna get you. Excuse me, there's no hunting prey during class. Fine. Hey you. What kind of mark is purple?
Attention everyone, please come to the main lobby immediately for your color check.
I'm nervous. I have friends who are both hunters and preys. I don't want us to turn against each other.
It's no big deal. You should be with your own kind anyways. Next. The purple mark. We've been looking for you. Come with me immediately.
What am I? Am I a hunter or am I a prey?
You're a mediator.
Mediator?
The mediators are meant to bring balance and harmony between the hunters and the preys. I didn't think they were real until I saw you. Get over here, you prey. Help me!
Hey, stop that.
Oh, what even are you?
I'm a mediator, so just go to class.
You have one special ability that no one else has. You have the ability to change their mark. Preys into hunters and hunters into preys. I'm a hunter. It's what I do.
You're a hunter? Look at your mom.
What? I'm a prey? I was so sure it was red. Dude, I'm so sorry I tried to hunt you.
Mr. Strawberry, I love...
Stop! Don't say I love you. Honey, it's time you know. When you say I love you to someone who doesn't love you back, you'll lose all your memory. That's why I only say I love you to Daddy and my children, because they're the ones I know that love me back.
Good morning, Mom.
Who are you? Where am I? What am I doing here? What is this place?
Mom, do you remember anything?
I'm your mom?
You lost your memory. Dad, something's going on with Mom. She doesn't remember anything. Did she say I love you to anyone?
To me. Last night. I'm sorry, but I lost feelings for your mother.
So it's your fault. You don't love Mom anymore and she lost her memory?
It's not what I intended to happen. Truthfully, I met another woman. But don't worry, I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad?
I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad? Dad, you lost your memory? That means I don't love...
Open up. We're the memory police.
The memory police are here?
Who's that?
Mom! Mom, please, you have to remember something. The memory police are here.
I'm your mom?
Yes, that's all you have to say.
Open up!
The door's open. Come in.
Are all memories intact here?
Of course. Who are you?
I'm your mom?
See?
What is this place? I don't know where I am. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
Goodbye, Dad. Mom, I have to go to school now. Just stay safe and don't do anything until I come home. I love... No, I can't say it. Of course you wouldn't love me. I'm a stranger to you.
I love you.
How do you know that word?
Babe, there you are. I think it's time we say the L word.
No, I don't want to say it. I've already lost someone because of that word.
Don't worry. You don't have to say it. I'll say it.
No, don't say it. I
love you. Who are you? Where am I? I'm scared. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
It's Mom. Mom? She has no memory left. How would she know how to use a phone?
Did you just say your mom has no memory? How is she not taken away yet?
No, she has her memory. I was just joking. Mom, I came running back from school. Is everything okay? Are you okay?
I'm your mom?
I think you called by mistake.
Memory police, open up.
Come in.
We're taking your mother.
No, you can't. She's all I have. Take me with her.
Your memories are intact.
I love you.